Lesson 16. Home Sweet Home.
Hello students, how are you today? Today we're going to talk about our homes. So we're going to learn about the rooms first. So here we go. Now we see a picture of the house, and here are the rooms. This is the living room. This is the living room. This is the dining room where we eat. This is the dining room. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, a very important room. And this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom, also very important. Okay, this is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. This is another bedroom. Another bedroom. This is another bedroom. This is the basement. This is the basement. This is the garden. This is the garden. And this is the yard. This is the yard. Okay, so again, this is the living room. This is the dining room. This is the kitchen. This is the bathroom. This is a bedroom. This is another bedroom. This is the basement. This is the garden. And this is the yard. Now, we say the because there's only one, usually. The living room, the dining room, the kitchen, the bathroom. A bedroom, because maybe there's 1, 2, or 3 bedrooms. A bedroom, another bedroom. So this house has 2. Okay? The basement, only 1. The garden, the yard, only 1. Okay? Now, let's look at a house and see what the rooms are. Now, Susan, what is this room?
It is the kitchen.
Yes, it's the kitchen. Now, Isabel, what's this room?
It's the living room.
Yes, it's the living room. Now, Lee, what is this room?
It's the bathroom.
Yes, it's the bathroom. Now, Susan, does this house have 2 bedrooms?
No, it doesn't. It has 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Isabel, does this house have a dining room?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it has a dining room. Ali, how many bathrooms does this house have?
It has 1 bathroom.
Yes, it has 1 bathroom. Thank you very much. All right. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
My house has 2 bedrooms. Her house has 1 kitchen. Their house has 3 bathrooms. Our house has 1 living room and 1 dining room.
Read and repeat. houses.
Now, that's the inside of a house. Now we're going to talk about different buildings for houses. First, this is an apartment building. This is an apartment building. It has apartments in it. Okay? So this is an apartment building. It has apartments in it. And in some countries, they are called flats. Okay? So this is an apartment building. It has apartments in it. In North America, they're called apartments. And in places like the UK, Australia, New Zealand, they're called flats. But it's the same. Okay? Now, here's another one. This is a duplex. Duplex. Dupe is two. This is a duplex. So two houses are together. Two houses are together. Okay? So this is a duplex. Two houses are together. Now, here comes some more. This is a townhouse. This is a townhouse. Many houses are together. This is a house. This is a house. This is a villa. This is a villa. This is a palace. This is a palace. This is a cabin. This is a cabin. And this is a tent. This is a tent. Now again, this is an apartment building. It has apartments in it, or flats. This is a duplex. Two houses are together. This is a townhouse. Many houses are together. This is a house. This is a villa. This is a palace. This is a cabin. This is a tent. Okay, now let me ask you some questions. Susan, do you live in a tent?
No, I live in a flat.
Ah, I see. Isabel, do you live in a cabin?
No, I don't. I live in an apartment.
Ali, do you live in a house?
No, I live in a palace. I live in an apartment.
Okay, you really live in an apartment. All right.
Teacher, where do you live?
In Canada, I live in a house. Here, I live in an apartment. Thank you very much. Now, it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
The Queen lives in a palace. The President lives in a villa. My aunt lives in a house. I live in an apartment.
Read and repeat. Houses. There is. There are.
Now, we're going to talk about a new kind of verb. Here it is. There is there is, there are. There are. Now, is followed by one noun, a singular noun. So, a singular noun. Okay, one something. There are is followed by a plural noun. Plural noun. Okay? So, there is followed by a singular noun. There are is followed by a plural noun. Now let me show you. Here's some examples. There is one living room in my house. There is one living room in my house. Is one. Okay? There is one living room in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. Do you see the difference? There is one living room. There are 3 bedrooms. Now, with there is and there are, you have to look here and then to see the verb. Okay? So there is one living room, is. There are 3 bedrooms, are. Okay? So you have to look after to see what the verb is. Now, here are some more examples. And I'll show you a couple of ways to do this. So here's the first one. One living room is in my house. Okay, you know this. One living room is in my house. But we can say it like this. There is one living room in my house. There is one living room in my house. These are the same information, but different sentences. One living room is in my house. There is one living room in my house. Okay, they're both correct. Here's another one. 3 bedrooms are in my house. So you know this. 3 bedrooms are in my house. Now, we can say there are 3 bedrooms in my house. Okay, so it's the same. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. 3 bedrooms are in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. Now, these are correct, but these are better. There is one living room in my house. There are 3 bedrooms in my house. These are nicer and more normal. Okay? Now, let me show you a chart, and you can see it on the screen also, with some statements and questions. Okay. There is a bedroom. There is a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? Is there a bedroom? See, we changed it. There is a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? And like the other ones, yes, there is. Yes, there is. Or, no, there isn't. So there's a bedroom. Is there a bedroom? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, this is for one. There are 3 bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms. Now, to make the question, are there 3 bedrooms? Are there 3 bedrooms? There are 3 bedrooms. Are there 3 bedrooms? Now you can guess the answer. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Or no, there aren't. Okay, so there are 3 bedrooms. Are there 3 bedrooms? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Okay? All right. Now, let me ask you some questions. Susan, in your house, is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is.
Okay. Now you ask Ali.
Ali, in your house, are there 3 bedrooms?
No, there aren't. There are 2 bedrooms.
Okay. Ask Isabel.
Isabel, in your house, are there 2 bathrooms?
No, there aren't. There is 1 bathroom.
Okay. All right. Now, we can add more words to these sentences. And let me show you what they are. We can use these 3 to add more information. So here we go. Here's the first one. Some. Some. Now, we can use it in a positive statement, negative, or a question. Okay? Some. Any is only used in negative or questions. Okay? Any. And no is only for negative. Okay? Some, positive, negative questions. Any, negative or questions. No, negative. No, negative. Okay? All right. Now, here come some examples. All right. Now, there are some bedrooms in my house. There are some bedrooms in my house. Here's the question. Are there some bedrooms in your house? Are there some bedrooms in your house? I hope so. Yes, there are. Are there some bedrooms in your house? Yes, there are. Okay? Another one. Are there any bedrooms in your house? Okay, so remember, any can be used in a question. Are there any bedrooms in your house? And you can say, yes, there are. Or, for a very strange house, no, there aren't. Okay? Are there any bedrooms in your house? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Okay, there aren't any bedrooms in my house. So here we have negative, negative. There aren't any bedrooms in my house. And then finally, we can say there are no bedrooms in my house. There are no bedrooms in my house. So notice here we have there aren't any. There are no. Okay, so a little bit different, but the same information. It's a very strange house. Okay, now let's practice. And here is a picture of an apartment. Now, Ali, you ask Susan some questions about this apartment.
Susan, is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is a kitchen.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms.
Bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms.
Is there a dining room?
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is a dining room.
How many bathrooms are there?
There are 2 bathrooms.
There are 2 bathrooms. All right?
Is there a basement?
No, Ali, there is no basement.
Okay, good. Now, let's look at this photo. And Susan, you ask Isabel.
Isabel, is this your house?
No, I don't live in a villa.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 6 bedrooms.
Oh, there are 6 bedrooms. Okay.
How many bathrooms are there?
There are 8 bathrooms.
There are 8 bathrooms. All right?
Is there a dining room?
Yes, there is a big dining room.
There is a big dining room. Okay.
Is there a living room?
Yes, there are 2 living rooms.
There are 2 living rooms. Okay.
Is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is a big kitchen.
Yes, there is a big kitchen.
Is there a garden?
Yes, there is. It's beautiful.
Okay, there is a beautiful garden.
There is a swimming pool too.
Oh, and there is a swimming pool too. Oh, Isabel, is this a nice house?
Oh yes.
All right. Now, Isabel, ask Ali about the next place.
Ali, is this your house?
No, it isn't.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms.
There are 3 bedrooms, okay?
Is there a garden?
Yes, there is.
Okay, there is a garden.
Is there a kitchen?
Yes, there is.
Okay, there is a kitchen.
How many bathrooms are there?
There are 2 bathrooms.
All right, there are 2 bathrooms.
Is there a basement?
Yes, there is.
All right, there is a basement. All right, good job. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
Is there a kitchen in your house? Yes, there is. Are there 2 kitchens in your house? No, there aren't. Is there 1 bedroom in your house? No, there isn't. There are 2 bedrooms.
Read and repeat.
Now, let's look at the outside of a house. First, this is the roof. This is the roof. This is the chimney. This is the chimney. Now, there is the attic. There is the attic. There are many windows. There are many windows. There are some doors. There are some doors. There is the garage. There is the garage. There is the porch. There is the porch. There is the balcony. There is the balcony. And there is the patio. There is the patio. Okay? So, this is the roof. This is the chimney. There is the attic. There are many windows. There are some doors. There is the garage. There is the porch. There is the balcony. There is the patio. Okay, now let's look at another photo of a house and we'll ask some questions about it. Susan, does this house have a basement?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it has a basement. Isabel, does it have an attic?
No, it doesn't.
No, there is no attic. Ali, how many windows does it have?
I see 3 windows.
Yes, there are 3 windows. Okay, Susan, is there a garage?
No, there isn't.
Yes, there's no garage. Isabel, how many doors are there?
I see only one door.
Yes, there's only one door. Ali, is this a nice house?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Good. Okay, now you're going to listen to 3 people talk about their dream houses. Now first, let's listen to Jane. This is Jane.
My name is Jane. I live in Toronto, Canada. My dream house is in Hawaii. It is a cabin on the sea. It's small. There is 1 bedroom, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. There are many windows. There is a big balcony. The weather is always warm, and my house is always beautiful.
All right, now that was Jane. Now we're going to listen to John. Here's John. He's going to tell us about his dream house.
My name is John. I live in New York. My dream house is in New York. It's in a tall modern apartment building. It's a big apartment. There are 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. There is a dining room and a big living room. There is a big kitchen. There is a big balcony and many windows. I see Central Park every day.
All right, that was John. And now we're going to listen to Andrea.
My name is Andrea. I live in New York too. My dream house is a tent in Montana. It's very small. There is no kitchen or bathroom. The tent is the living room and the bedroom. The world is the garden. I see beautiful nature every day.
Yes. Now, those are 3 very different dream houses. Now, I want you to listen again and I will ask some questions about what you've heard.
My name is Jane. I live in Toronto, Canada. My dream house is in Hawaii. It is a cabin on the sea. It's small. There is 1 bedroom, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. There are many windows. There is a big balcony. The weather is always warm, and my house is always beautiful.
Oh, very nice. Ali, who is speaking?
Jane is speaking.
Susan, where does she live?
She lives in Toronto, Canada.
Isabel, where is her dream house?
Her dream house is in Hawaii.
Yes. Ali, what kind of house is it?
It is a cabin on the sea.
Yes. Susan, are there many windows?
Yes, there are.
Isabel, is there a balcony?
Yes, there is a big balcony.
All right. Now, I want you to listen to John and we will ask questions again. So here is John.
My name is John. I live in New York. My dream house is in New York. It's in a tall modern apartment building. It's a big apartment. There are 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. There is a dining room and a big living room. There is a big kitchen. There is a big balcony and many windows. I see Central Park every day.
Okay, now, Susan, who is speaking?
John.
And Ali, where does he live?
He lives in New York.
Isabel, where is his dream house?
His dream house is in New York.
Yes. Ali, is his dream house a villa?
No, it's a tall, modern apartment building.
Yes. All right. Now, let's listen to the third one. And here we go again with Andrea.
My name is Andrea. I live in New York too. My dream house is a tent in Montana. It's very small. There is no kitchen or bathroom. The tent is the living room and the bedroom. The world is the garden. I see beautiful nature every day.
Yes. Now that's a very different dream house. Okay, Susan, this time who is speaking?
Andrea.
And Ali, where does she live?
She lives in New York.
Isabel, where is her dream house?
Her dream house is in Montana.
Yes. And Susan, what kind of a house is it?
A tent.
Yes, it's a tent. Okay, now you think, and I want you to tell me about your dream house. Okay? Now, Ali, you start. What is your dream house?
My dream house is a villa. It's in Turkey. It has 8 bedrooms and it has 6 bathrooms. It has a big kitchen and it has a dining room. There are 2 living rooms. There are many windows. There are 2 balconies and a big garden. There are 2 garages.
Very nice, Ali. I hope you have many cars for your garages. Okay, now Susan, tell us about your dream house.
My dream house is a small house. It is in Malaysia. It has 1 bathroom and a small living room. There is 1 bedroom. There is no dining room. There is no garage, and it has a porch, and it has, there is a big, beautiful garden.
Okay, sounds very nice. All right, Isabel, tell us about your dream house.
Okay. My dream house is a big house. It's in France. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There is a big kitchen and a dining room. There is a basement. There is a garage. There isn't a balcony or a porch. There is a big garden.
Thank you. I hope you all find your dream houses.
Pronunciation.
Now, let's work on pronunciation. Today we're going to do the long I sound. I. All right. Now let's look at some words. You know most of these. And here we go. I. My. Wife. Fine. Right. Tonight. Buy. Height. And die. Again, I, my, wife, fine, right, tonight, buy, height, die. Now, let's look at the spelling of these because you can see the spelling can be very different. Now, we have my, so we can have a Y. Now be careful. Sometimes this is I, Sometimes it's E. So my. Now we saw this before with silent E. Makes I sound. We see this with wife and fine. Okay? So the E is silent, but it makes it I. Now with these two we see ite. Ite. Right tonight. Okay? Usually it's like this. This one is very special. I. By. Okay? It's very special. There's not so many. Now, this one also is special. Ite. Height. Okay? Now, we saw this before with the 8 sound. A. But this word is special. We have ite. And then this one also is special for die. We have seen these before with an E sound, but here it's with I. Okay? So all of these are I sounds. So spelling is a little difficult, but you will learn these as you go. Now, let's compare two sounds. We're going to get rid of these and do some more words with two sounds. We'll do long I, and short A, ah. Okay? I, ah. Okay, see how your mouth goes? I, ah. All right, now here we go. Now remember, these are only for sounds. You don't have to know what they mean. Right. Right. Hide. Hide. Side. Side. Bike. Bike. Height. Height. Fight. Fight. Mice. Mice. Mine. Mine. And fine. Fine. Okay, again. Right. Hide. Side. Bike. Height. Fight. Mice. Mine. Fine. Fine. Okay, now let's do short A. Here we go. Let's move this over a little bit. Rat. Rat. Had. Had. Sad. Sad. Back. Back. Hat. Hat. Fat. Fat. Mass. Mass. Man. Man. And fan. Fan. Okay, again, rat, had, sad, back, hat, fat, mass, man, fan. Okay, now let's go this way and you can hear the difference. At home, you practice and you say it after I say it, okay? Here we go. Right, rat. Hide, had, side, sad, bike, back, height, hat, fight, fat, mice, mass, mine, man, fine, fan. Okay? Now, we're going to write some kind of crazy sentences with these words so you can practice them also. Now, I will write them and say them, and then our assistants will say them too. So here we go. Here's the first one. The right rat had a sad side. Okay? The right rat had a sad side. Okay, Susan, you try.
The right rat had a sad side.
Yes. Okay, kind of crazy. All right. Now, here's another one. My bike is very fine. My bike is very fine. Now, Isabel, you try.
My bike is very fine.
Yes, good. All right, here's another one. Dan is fat and rides at the back. Dan is fat and rides at the back. Okay, Ali.
Dan is fat and rides at the back.
Yes, okay. All right, here comes another one. The man likes mice inside his hat. This is a very crazy sentence. The man likes mice inside his hat. Okay, Isabel?
The man likes mice inside his hat.
Yes, he's a crazy man. All right. And here's the last one. The fan says he is fine after the fight. The fan says he is fine after the fight. Okay, Ali.
The fan says he is fine after the fight.
Thank you very much for those crazy sentences. Now it's time to listen and write.
Listen and write.
Listen and write these words. Number 1, kitchen, kitchen. Number 2, bathroom, bathroom. Number 3, basement, basement. Number 4, garage, garage. Number 5, balcony, balcony. Now, check your work. Number 1, kitchen. Number 2, bathroom. Number 3, basement. Number 4, garage. Number 5, balcony. Now, let's do the sentences. Listen and write. Number 1. My house has 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. My house has 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. Number 2. There are 4 rooms in my apartment. There are 4 rooms in my apartment. Number 3. Their dream house is a villa in France. Their dream house is a villa in France. Number 4. Are there any bedrooms in a cabin? Are there any bedrooms in a cabin? Number 5. There aren't any kitchens in a tent. There aren't any kitchens in a tent. Now, check your work. Number 1. My house has 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. Number 2. There are 4 rooms in my apartment. Number 3. Their dream house is a villa in France. Number 4. Are there any bedrooms in a cabin? Number 5. There aren't any kitchens in a tent. Now, read the story and answer the questions.
Read and answer.
Mary is an architect. She knows houses. She works in an office in a big city in the US. She has a dream house. It is in a small place. There are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There is a big kitchen and a small dining room. There are a lot of windows. The house has a porch. In her dream, Mary is sitting on the porch and drinking tea. Go back to work, Mary. Now, answer the questions. Number 1. What is Mary's job? What is Mary's job? Number 2. Does she know houses? Does she know houses? Number 3. Where does she work? Where does she work? Number 4. Where is her dream house? Where is her dream house? Number 5. How many bedrooms are there? How many bedrooms are there? Number 6. Are there any bathrooms? Are there any bathrooms? Number 7. Is there a dining room? Is there a dining room? Number 8. Are there a lot of windows? Are there a lot of windows? Number 9. Does the house have a porch? Does the house have a porch? Number 10. What is Mary doing? What is Mary doing? Now, check your work. Number 1. What is Mary's job? She is an architect. Number 2. Does she know houses? Yes, she does. Number 3. Where does she work? She works in an office in a big city in the US. Number 4. Where is her dream house? It is in a small place. Number 5. How many bedrooms are there? There are 2 bedrooms. Number 6. Are there any bathrooms? Yes, there are. There are 2 bathrooms. Number 7. Is there a dining room? Yes, there is. Number 8. Are there a lot of windows? Yes, there are a lot of windows. Number 9. Does the house have a porch? Yes, it does. Number 10. What is Mary doing? She is sitting and drinking tea. Very good. We'll see you next time.
Practicing English.
Angie, look at all these advertisements for apartments. How will I find the one for me?
Come on, Monica. We'll find you the perfect place. Don't worry.
I need a simple place, a bedroom, a small kitchen, a bathroom, and a living room.
Let's start looking at the university area. Here, I found the section. You're right. There are lots of places to rent. This one sounds nice. It says 1-bedroom apartment with kitchen, bathroom, and large living room. Plus it has a small balcony. It's not far from school, and there's a park in the neighborhood.
Angie, that sounds really nice. I really want one with a dining room, plus all the things I'm looking for. The bedroom, the kitchen, the bathroom, and the living room. It doesn't have a balcony.
It doesn't matter, does it? Sounds lovely anyway.
Yeah, you're right. Let's give them a call and see if we can see it tomorrow. Angie, look! These wooden floors. They're beautiful.
I love this balcony. Oh. I bet the view of the Bosphorus Bridge at night is so romantic.
Yes, and look! There is a small garden in the back. It has some pretty flowers in it right now.
Yes, I like this garden too. Let's look at the kitchen now. It's nice. There's a window with another small garden.
Yeah, it needs some work. And some tiles. It's not bad.
It's kind of small.
Yeah.
The real estate agent said you could leave some of your things in the basement. There's plenty of room to leave the things that you're not using.
It would be great to keep my bike down there when I'm not using it in the winter.
Let's look at the bedroom.
It is a small room, but it has a balcony. It gets lots of light, though.
You'll only be able to fit one small bed in there.
You're right. What about the bathroom?
It's very small.
No, it doesn't even have a bath.
The tiles look new. So does the sink and toilet. But it's very small, and no bath is a big turn-off.
Yeah.
The wood floors are nice, and it's good size. But remember, there is no dining room, so you'll have to use this space for a table and chairs.
Yes, and the kitchen is too small to eat in, isn't it?
Shall we see the other apartment? It's only 2 streets away.
Okay, I like this place, but I should see them both. Oh, look, Angie. This apartment is much bigger than the first one.
Yes, and there is even more light, too.
I like this big living room, and this must be the dining room.
Yes, and there's even 2 big windows. It's nice.
I really like this fireplace.
Look how nice the kitchen is. There's a beautiful refrigerator, a stove, and a nice big cabinet for storing food and dishes.
I really like the wooden floors.
Monica, where is the bathroom?
Angie, you won't believe it.
What?
It has a jacuzzi.
Oh, fantastic. Can I come over and have a bath sometime? My apartment doesn't have a bath.
Of course you can. My bath is your bath.
Well, just one more room to see. What is the bedroom like?
Well, it's right here. No surprises in this room. It's the same wooden floors. It's a nice place.
Yes. So this place has a dining room, a living room, a nice bedroom, a kitchen, wooden floors, and a jacuzzi. So cousin, which one will it be?
I like this one much better. Better find out a little more. I don't even know how much it costs.
Of course. I was so excited about sharing the jacuzzi, I forgot to ask. Let's go talk to the agent and find out.
Okay.